My motion reads that the City of Nanaimo advise the VICC, the Vancouver Island Conference Centre, that as owners of the facility, any events that are associated with organizations of people that promote or have a history of divisiveness, homophobia, or other expressions of hate, and as such advise the VICC to not permit the upcoming LeaderCast event to occur in the city-owned facility that is scheduled for Saturday, May the 9th. And I so move. Last week, the Nanaimo Daily News had 2 full-page ads in their publication to promote this event that was sponsored jointly by the Nanaimo Daily News and the Coastal Community Credit Union. And again, there were members in the LGBT community that caught on to that, and I had a phone call from 1 or 2 of them on Friday, and we followed up a little bit, and sure enough, you don't have to Google very fast and very far in order to make that connection with Chick-fil-A all over again. Furthermore, in the ad in the Daily News is reference made to one of the speakers, a gentleman by the name of Dr. Henry Cloud, who, among other things, he's a psychiatrist who is very strong on the fact that he believes that matters gay can be fixed with reparative therapy. In other words, he can fix, which I think to everybody on this council and in this room is about as offensive as it gets. So that alone, even that, apart from the connection with Chick-fil-A, was enough for me to make this motion. Once we made a little noise, it became pretty quick that the coastal community people withdrew their sponsorship. And I don't know about you, but for a council such as this one, which has been progressive and open-minded, on many occasions, we have unanimous decisions to fly the gay pride flag, for instance. We've done it year after year. For us to now be faced with this again is regrettable, to say the least. And so I urge you to vote in favor of this motion. It once again sends a message that I wish did not have to be sent, but here we are. I guess that's all I have to say.